Being safe on the road is very important to me, so when AlcoMate sent me this breathalyzer, I couldn't wait to review it and let you know what I thought about it. Now, this breathalyzer is nice and compact. It's very simple to use, and I'll show you how to do that in just a moment. But first, I'll show you what is included. So first, you get the unit. It also comes with a nice neoprene case with a carabiner on it, which is great to put on your keys or your belt loop. You also get a large set of mouthpieces. Most importantly, you get an extra sensor, and there's also a wrist strap included. Now, this is very easy to use. All you have to do is just hold down the button, and then it turns on. Once it counts down to 0, then you're ready to blow into the unit and see what your blood alcohol content is. This unit is FDA and DOT approved, which is great. You know that it's really trustworthy. You get quick results, and then if the sensor happens to go bad, they do include another one. The sensor does provide a high accuracy reading so that you can trust what the results are. This is wonderful to keep on hand for parties and, work events, things like that. We're almost counted down to 0, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how this is used. Okay, when this turns to 0, I have to blow. You stop blowing when the beep goes off. You'll see the 0 dancing around, and when it comes to a stop, that's your blood alcohol reading. Mine is 0. I feel like this really promotes responsible choices. I think this is really good also if you are a new driver, just so you can keep track of what your levels are and if you're capable of driving. I really think this is a great product, and I think you'll like it too.